In this guide, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can cancel your YouTube Premium subscription or the free trial. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more YouTube content like this. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more specific YouTube content. The first thing that you're going to want to do if you do want to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription or your YouTube Premium free trial is actually open up the YouTube app and actually tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up a page that looks something like this. Scroll down on this page just a little bit and you're going to see either an option to go in settings here or just simply click on the settings gear up in the top right corner and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select purchases and memberships underneath your account settings and it's going to open up this right here. Now from here, you're going to want to find your active YouTube Premium subscription, which is going to be up at the very top. And you just need to go ahead and select that YouTube Premium membership. In my case, I'm just going to use this inactive one as an example. And then just from here, select cancel. You are going to have to confirm your decision in the bottom right, but after you do so, your subscription is going to be fully canceled. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.